Hi guys, my name is Michael and I'm a junior. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fortune teller. Fun fact about me, my favorite food is sushi. So first you're going to want to take a square sheet of paper and fold each of the corners to the center as shown. And then you're going to want to flip that piece of paper over and fold each of the corners to the center again. Now you're going to want to fold a piece of paper in half and then half again, and you're going to want to undo those folds. They're mainly to help you with the next step of the folding process. So now you're going to want to press each of the center edges together, and you're going to want to take each of the flaps out. This can be a little tricky at first, so make sure to take your time with it to avoid damaging the piece. And now you're ready for the fun part, the decorating process. I chose the colors yellow, blue, green, and red, but you can choose any colors you want. Thank you for watching.